Hello everybody, David Lewis here. And for those of you that have known me for a long time, know that I can be very strong in my convictions of how to sell a car. That I believe that our goal, or one of our goals, is to lower the customer's defensive posture. And I believe that in the meet and greet and the qualification step, we ask too many questions that actually do the opposite and raise their defensive posture. Questions like, what's your timeline? What's your budget? Are you paying cash or financing? Do you have a trade? What do you think your trade's worth? But I was talking to somebody last night, and they are very pro asking some questions, not all the questions, so they kind of agree with me a little bit. And they shared with me a couple of questions that they do like asking, and we had a little bit of a debate, and you know what? I was sold that I could actually accept some of these questions because they took the questions a step further. For example, let me give you one example. Let's say you want to ask the customer the question, what features do you have on your car now that you must have on the new car? He then said to me, once they tell me, I want them to elaborate. And I typically say, please tell me more. Why are these so important? And what he told me is that what it does is it creates dialogue. And I believe that dialogue lowers a customer's defensive posture, especially if that dialogue is being controlled by the customer. So, I am swayed a little bit. So if you do want to ask some questions that you feel are still important, that you're comfortable with, make sure at the end of the question, after they give you their answer, that you reply with, please tell me more, and let that customer give you some dialogue, because that will lower their defensive posture, and that will help you sell more cars. Good luck, everyone.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.